Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm your host, Jessa Jeremiah. We have a great show for you today. You're going to find out how you can get a ride in a World War II aircraft. We're going to check in with some local businesses. And right now, for many of you who are caring for aging seniors, or maybe a senior wanting to age in place, we'll learn a thing or two from Fatou Cisse, who is here with Cairasu Home Care. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
I always love chatting with you. Really important topic that we're going to touch on today, surrounding seniors' safety. But first, let's give folks an overview about what you do with Cairasu Home Care.
So at Cairasu Home Care, we work with seniors in their homes. So our main focus is to help them stay in their homes. We help them with their daily activities of living, so personal cares, homemaking, errands, companionship, all of that stuff that,
all really important.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So helping folks, really age in place. And one of the things that, of course, is sometimes a threat to seniors is the ability to stay safe at home. Mm-hmm. So what is the biggest threat in terms of safety?
The biggest threat in terms of safety is falls. So seniors fall, it's a big problem. They tend to fall easily. That is either lack of balance or weakness, some kind of health issues. Those are main issues why seniors tend to fall. And also some clutters that may be in the home.
Yeah, absolutely. So it can be a major challenge to help seniors stay safe, mm-hmm. But let's talk a little bit about the consequences if there is a fall. Why is this such a problem?
It is a problem because one, they want to stay in their homes. So that deters the ability to be at home if you're falling, especially if you're falling frequently, and especially if you fall with a major injury like hip fractures and, any kind of bone fracture can be a huge threat. Because then you'll have to go through hospitalization and rehab, and a lot of things can happen within that period. So that's the biggest threat to being at home.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Where do falls generally occur? I'm sure you see this occasionally in your line of work. Are you finding that they're in certain rooms, or are there certain scenarios that are more frequent?
Yeah, so living room areas and bathrooms are big places. As far as the bathrooms, if water is on the floor, easily slip. The other thing is whether they have aging in place mechanisms that will help them navigate through the bathroom. That is, whether do they have grab baths, do they have shower benches, stuff of that nature helps. Do they have rocks that attached, let's say, attached to the floor and are not like hanging, mm-hmm. because they can easily move that with their feet, and here they are on the ground already.
So because this can be such a problem, we want to make sure we're helping seniors stay safe at home. Mm-hmm. So what are some of the things that we can do to make sure that they are safe?
What I would say is make sure the room is cluttered and there's enough lighting. Make sure that there is not spills of water everywhere. And also when you're taking a shower, it's safe to have, if somebody is in, then you can take a shower while they're there, so that if anything happens, then you're going to get immediate help right away. The other thing is to have medical alert. Mm-hmm. That way, that can send signal to security folks so that they can know that something happened in the home, that they can get to you right away. Those will be some of the things that you're going to need in the home.
Great pointers, and mm-hmm. Some of these things might seem obvious when we're here talking about them, but they're things that can often go overlooked. So it's great to, have some reminders. And mm-hmm. if you're a senior watching this, or maybe somebody caring for a senior, Cairasu Home Care can help you with some of these
Yes.
things as well as some errands and other things. So really important ways that you're helping folks age in place.
That's
Thank you
right.
for sharing this
You're
tip with
welcome.
us today.
Thank you.
Again, this is Fatou Cisse, and you're watching Talk of the Town. We'll be right back after the break.